Dear students, I hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ideal English Teacher. If you are first in my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and to get all notifications first, please press the bell icon and don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I shall teach you Madhyamik grammars. I hope you are practicing all types of grammars with rapt attention. Let us start. Madhyamik English Grammar Practice Set 4. Madhyamik English Grammar Practice. Clear? 13. Everybody, first grammar, everybody admits his kindness. Make it a complex sentence. Everybody admits his kindness. Kindness. Make it a complex sentence. Clear? This sentence is an example of simple sentence. It is a simple sentence because a simple sentence contains one subject and one finite verb. There is one subject, everybody, and one finite verb. And one finite verb admits one subject and one finite verb. So, simple sentence. Clear? Make it complex sentence. What is complex sentence? A complex sentence contains one or more than one subjects and more than one finite verbs, and there will be a linker. Clear? One subject or more than one subjects, but there are more than one finite verbs. More than one finite verbs. Two finite verbs, three finite verbs. In this sentence, one finite verb admits finite verb. Clear? Kindness. The word kindness is noun. The adjective form of kindness is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. Clear? Adjective form of kindness is kind. His kindness. There is another finite verb in his kindness. How? He is kind. His possessive pronoun. The subject of his is he. Finite verb is. He is kind. Clear? First sentence. Everybody admits. First finite verb. He is kind. Second finite verb. Here, it's. First finite verb admits, second finite verb it's. There are two finite verbs, and in a complex sentence, there will be two finite verbs and a linker. Everybody admits that. That is the linker of noun clause. The two sentences will be joined by noun clause. Clear? Everybody admits that he is kind. Everybody admits that he is kind. So write. Everybody admits that he is kind. Complex sentence. Because final verb admits, one final verb, second final verb is more than one final verbs. Clear? And there is a linker that. So it's a complex sentence. Next. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Change into positive degree. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Change into positive degree. Positive degree. Degree change. Degree of comparison. Clear? Types of degree. Degree is of three types. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. This line is an example of superlative degree. But why? Because superlative degree denotes the highest degree of the quality. Superlative degree denotes the highest degree of quality. First. Second, in superlative degree, the third form of adjective is used. The third form of adjective is used. And there is the presence of the or one of the. There is the presence of the or one of the in superlative degree. Clear? Longest. The word longest. Third form of adjective. Long, long, longer, longest. Third form of adjective long. And the. Before longest. The is used. Clear? So it is superlative degree. Change this superlative degree into positive degree. Positive degree. In a positive degree, first form of the adjective is used. And there will be as if affirmative, so as if negative. Clear? First form of the adjective is used and as if affirmative or so as if negative will be used. Longest. Longest, third form of adjective. First form of adjective is long, long. Clear? Positive degree. The longest river. No other river. In positive, the longest river. In superlative, the longest river. But in positive, no other river in India. No other river. The structure of positive degree. First subject. No other river. No other. Because there is the presence of only the. no other. Clear? No other river. River. R-I-V-E-R. Next, other items. In India. Clear? Then verb will be placed. Each in the sentence in superlative degree there is a verb each, and in positive degree no other. If the sentence starts with no other takes singular verb. No other takes singular verb. In present tense is used, and in past tense was is used. No other takes singular verb. Present tense is, past tense was. Clear? Is. Next, as or so as. As. First form of adjective will be used. First form of adjective, longest. First form of longest is long. As long. Next, as long as the Ganga. The Ganga, subject. The Ganga. Clear? No other river in India is as long as the Ganga. That means the Ganga is the longest river in India. Please note down all the grammars and practice these grammars with rapt attention. Clear?